today I'm excited to share with you my experience with the Lexus ES300 Hybrid. I bought this car back in November 2023 with 9,000 miles on the clock, and recently I crossed the impressive milestone of 100,000 miles. Mostly it's a motorway miles, but this car has been a part of countless journeys, and I'm here to tell you all about how it has performed. Okay, so let's dive in and let's start from exterior. To be honest with you, I'm facing some problems with the paint of the front bumper. Here we go. You can see how it's badly coming off. When I bought a car, it came with Super Guard and lifetime paint protection. Recently I contacted Cardiff Lexus, of course lady from the reception not dealing with those issues, and she told me that they're gonna give me call back. But looks like they forgot about me, and it's not the best customer service in that case. I'm gonna need to contact them again. Okay guys, now stepping inside, the interior is where the Lexus ES300 Hybrid truly shines. I've got white leather seats. It looks amazing, but you need to keep an eye on it and clean regularly. If you have got a little kids or you're doing taxi work for Uber or local companies, I highly recommend to get a dark interior. When it comes to driving dynamics, Lexus ES300 Hybrid continues to deliver a smooth and very nice ride. The hybrid powertrain provides a perfect balance of performance and efficiency. Transition between electric motor and petrol engine is barely noticeable, ensuring a quiet and comfortable drive. After more than 100,000 miles on the clock, car still offers an excellent fuel consumption. On average, I'm doing about 52-53 miles per gallon, which is really impressive for luxury sedan. Apart paint coming from my front bumper, I had one big issue. When it was about 50,000 miles, the two injectors failed. You can hear that annoying sound from under the bonnet. It's a very rare issue, but because I'm doing a lot of miles, I decided to service a car by myself. It's very simple to do it, and you need only a few things. If you would like to know how to service your Lexus, we do have another video. Please check link in the description. Lexus offering a service plan which is about 40-50 pounds a month, and it's included warranty until 100,000 miles or 10 years, which comes first, and I highly recommend if you're just doing 10,000 miles a year. And final verdict, I can see only one downside of this car: design. Design could be much more better, but I heard that Japanese executives are quite old and they do approving this kind of design. Otherwise, Lexus ES300 Hybrid has proven to be more than just a car. It's been a dependent partner. I'm doing a lot of miles, and so far it has handled everything with grace and reliability. So, after 100,000 miles, would I still recommend the Lexus ES 2021 Hybrid? Absolutely yes. Lexus commitment to quality, luxury and performance. If you are thinking to buy Lexus ES300 Hybrid, my advice is look from 2021, because they're coming with lithium battery. Thank you for watching guys. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below if you have any questions or thoughts. Until next time, drive safe and take care.